If counted in 7, nothing will remain, which translates to a is equal to 7b plus 0. If counted in 3s, 2 will remain. It translates to a is equal to 3t plus 2 for some natural number t. If counted in pairs, 1 will remain. It translates to a is equal to 2u plus 1 for some natural number u. That is, in each case, we have a and a positive integer b. In our example, b takes values 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 and 2 respectively, which divides a and leaves a remainder r. In our case, r is 0, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1 respectively, that is smaller than b. The number we write down such equations, we are using Euclid's division lemma, which is given in theorem 1.1. It is page number 3. Getting back to our puzzle, do you have any idea how we'll solve it? Yes, you must look for the multiple of 7 which satisfy all the conditions by trial and error. Using the concept of LCM, you will find he had 119 eggs. In order to get a feel for what Euclid's division lemma is, consider the following pairs of integers: 17, 6, 5, 12, 24. Like we did in the example, we can write the following relations for which such pair: 17 is equal to 6 into 2 plus 5. 6 goes into 17 twice and leaves a remainder 5. 5 is equal to 12 into 0 plus 5. This relation holds since 12 is larger than 5. 20 is equal to 4 into 5 plus 0. Here 4 goes into 25 times and leaves no remainder. That is, for each pair of positive integer a and b, we have found whole numbers q and r satisfying the relation a is equal to bq plus r, where r is equal to 0 or less than greater than 0 and less than b. Note that q or r can also be 0. Why do not you now try finding integers q and r for the following pairs of positive integer a and b: 1, 10, 3, b, 4, 19, 3, 81, 3. Did you notice that q and r are unique? These are the only integers satisfying the condition a is equal to bq plus r, where r is less than b and greater than 0 or equal to 0. You may also have realized that this is nothing but a restatement of the long division process you have been doing all these years, and that is the integer q and r are called the quotient and the remainder respectively. A formal statement of this result is as follows. This is theorem 1.1, Euclid's division lemma. You have to remember this statement line by line, point to point. This theorem is saying, given positive integers a and b, there exist unique integers q and r satisfying a is equal to b q plus r, where r is less than b and greater than 0 or equal to 0. This result we perhaps known for a long time, but was first recorded in book 7 of Euclid's Elements. Euclid's division algorithm is based on this lemma. So what is this theorem? Theorem is saying, for given positive integers